Here's how to do double integrals in Mathematica. So here's the example. Evaluate the double integral x squared y dy dx, where y goes from 1 to 2 and x goes from 0 to 3. All right, so you just use the integrate command. So just integrate and then open square bracket and then type in your expression x squared y, x squared times y, and then in single integration, you just type in your variable and then your boundaries, but you just do that twice is the only difference. So here, you have to be careful. I'm starting with integrating by y, so I have to do y first. So open curly bracket y, and then the boundaries for y is 1 to 2, and then closing curly bracket, and then do your outer part. So dx is on the outer part, so that goes from 0 to 3. So you type x 0, 3, and then closing curly bracket, and then it gives you the answer right there. Now, if you have an integral problem that does not work out because there's no elementary antiderivative, you can use the n integrate command instead, and it'll do some kind of Riemann sum to come up with the decimal approximation for it. So n integrate works in the exact same way. Now let's just go back to regular integrate for a moment. Now you can switch the order around because there's the theorem, Fubini's theorem, that says you can switch the order. And so if you do that, you can just make sure that the order is maintained. And so you have the x is first, but make sure that the boundaries for 0 to 3 match up with the x, and then the boundaries for the y, 1 to 2, match up together in the curly brackets for the y. And then do shift enter, and you see you get the same answer that way as well. And that's it.